Well, we're now joined by Simi Rosabelle. John, thank you so much for speaking to us. Firstly, if you can tell us about, these allegations that you made that led to your expulsion from the Congress.
There are many women leaders who approach me for support because they are facing a lot of issues. Those who had bad experience from the leaders. So I raised the issue, and now I am expelled from the party. I am a senior most women leader of Kerala with 38 years of dedicated party work. And they are expelling all the senior leaders from the party. Padmaja Venugopal, the daughter of Mr. K. Karnagaran, she left the party. She joined BJP. And the senior most leader, Jamila Ibrahim, they are not allowing her to work for the party. The senior most leader, Rosa Kudetija, she was the Women Commission chairperson. She was expelled from the party and now she has joined the CPM and she is now the Women Development Corporation chairperson. The former Mahila Congress president and the district Panchayat president, Ladika Subhash, one of the vibrant women leader in Kerala, she left the party and now she's the chairperson for the department. The Shahida Kamal, one of the most prominent women leader of Kerala, she also left and now she has become the Women Commission member to the Women
But
Commission.
But ma'am, what are the reasons for all these women leaving? There may be different reasons, isn't it?
Yeah. No. You can ask them because they are not getting justice from the party. They are not giving proper accommodation. They don't want the senior women leaders. They are telling you go and sit at home. You are above 50. They don't want. They want the young women leaders. Is it? How can I tolerate? I am a fighter. I will fight for the cause. And
so, ma'am, what are you going to do now? Are you going to approach the Congress leadership, maybe in Delhi? As we just heard Rajiv Chandrasekhar say, the Congress had a campaign, Ladki Hu Lad Sakti Hu. You've made some very serious allegations. You've been expelled in Kerala. But are you going to attempt to reach out to leadership in Delhi?
Yeah, sure. I will approach because I have a close association with Madam Sonia Ji since my NSUI days.
So you say you're going to be reaching out to them and raising this issue because you spoke of a similar casting couch within the Congress party in Kerala?
No, women, many of our councillors, many of our women, they are getting bad experience. They are facing, they are denying seats. Those who are councillors, they are not getting seats for the next elections. Because the people love them, they elected them with a record majority. But these leaders doesn't like them. So yeah, I can give the numbers. You can call them and
right, ma'am. But you made allegations that there's some sort of sexual harassment being faced, and you need a sort of godfather within the party for women to, for their careers to further within the Congress in Kerala. Is that, if you could just tell us what you said there?
No, I will reveal it. But the only one thing with the consent of the victim only I can do. But the other ladies who face the same type of harassments from the men, from the leaders, especially from the opposition leader of Kerala, the person who I have accused, the opposition leader, Mr. V.D. Sadishan of Kerala, is my judge, is my jury, and is my executioner. And he commanded the PCC president yesterday to expel me from the party, like Padmaja Venugopal and almost all the 8 senior most leaders. And now they doesn't want me. They are asking me, you go and sit at home. Why you are fighting for the young women leaders? It is none of your business, they are telling.
Right, ma'am. Though the Congress in Kerala did say that women leaders from the KPCC Political Affairs Committee and Mahila Congress State President, among others, jointly requested the leadership to take action against you.
Because they are scared of the opposition leader, because they will get post, otherwise they will lose their post. That is why, because many of them want to contest for the coming elections, assembly elections. So they are scared naturally. I am not scared because I am a person. I will fight for the cause, and I am a merit-oriented person. If you check with my resume, you will understand my 38 work for the dedication to the party, and I never approached Sonia ji. She only named my son, Sibal. She knows me personally. I never approached her for a party post, for a assembly seat or a parliament seat. You know that? So I don't want anything. So I'm not scared.
All right, ma'am, did you raise these issues within the party earlier and then finally went public with it after this Mollywood Me Too scandal took place?
Last 3 years, I raised this issue many times to the PCC president. He always tell, "Oh, you approach the opposition leader. He will decide it. He will decide it." And he doesn't want to talk to me. He told me, "You got PSC, Public Service Commission, and you go and sit at home." The same Public Service Commission members with my same batch, 2013 batch, they both, Mr. Babis and Mr. Harindra, they are office bearers of PCC. They don't want a senior woman for that post.
Okay, ma'am, finally just asking you, you're talking about how, tickets aren't given, women aren't given positions, etc., etc. Now that may be an issue on one hand, but the serious allegation, Me Too allegations, what do you have to say on that, something of that sort within the Congress, because that is the issue that was allegedly raised by you.
No. I am fighting for the many women leaders of Kerala. Those they need my support. They are getting bad experience from these leaders.
All right.
Why they should have listened to me, no? Because now the media has taken this issue, so they don't want to. They hate me like anything. I think so. But I'm not working for the post or for the parliamentarianship or for the assembly. I don't want. If I get it,
some suggestions have been made. You're working at the behest of someone, ma'am.
Pardon me?
That you're working at the behest of, it could be other parties, other people. That sort of allegation has also been made.
You have to, because they doubt by all my mentors, my senior leaders. They are all in the CPM. That is true. And Padmaja Venugopal, she is now BJP leader. But I am very strong. My party is my heart. Favoritism and...
All right, ma'am. Thank you so much for speaking to us here at...
Favoritism. No, I will fight. I don't want to go to any party. I will work for my party, Indian National Congress.
All right, ma'am. Thank you so much for speaking to us. So, Simi Rosebell John there, who has been expelled by the Kerala Congress for speaking out and alluding to some sort of a casting couch within the Congress as well, talking about how many of the women leaders need some kind of a godfather or a mentor to support them.